Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke. Leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke njengezolonke ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Ukuze ngingakuphothi lezi ndaba ongakwenzayo njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje-ke laphana ethi-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke we-MK-ke veza-ke iqhinga-ke laphana-ke elinganqoba-ke i-GNU na-ke waliveza-ke leli qhinga, waveza nanokuthi-ke kanjani-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi weza ngami, kuphela nje into engizoyenza udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke uthini-ke. Mase ngicela lapha mase uzwile le vidiyo na-ke ungene kuma-comment section futhi usho umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke. Lolu-ke mase nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Yabona inganza kwethu i-Caucus Progressive Parties meeting. Ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlazane bayinqoba iganu ngoba sekudecidiwe futhi ukuthi kwi-debate i-official opposition i-MK. Ngiyafisa inganza kwethu ukuthi wonke lama progressive parties athi eqeda nje bese vele ahlangana abe into eyodwa. Vele kube into eyodwa, kube imbumba nje, kube into eyodwa, kube iphathi eyodwa ezoba opposite towards abelungu. Yabo, lapho ngeke baphinde bawunuka umbuso nangelilodwa ilanga. ESouth Africa, mina, if it was me, we would be having two parties. Ilokho kwabelungu bese kuba yithina abantu abamnyama. Siqoqane sibe sodwa, ngeke baphinde bawunuka umbuso nangelilodwa ilanga. Phela we are a majority in hugest numbers. I think we tripled them or fourbled them or fiftled them. Yabo. Ngoba abelungu kahle kahle eSouth Africa bayi minority around about 8 million to 10 million. We're sitting at around about 40 million, so we quadrupled them kahle kahle. So ngiyafisa ukuthi ama leaders ayibuke lento ngelinye ilanga athi yazini, let's defeat this beast. Once we defeated this beast, then we combine and form one party. First world countries, they have two parties that are active, very much active. United States, they have the Democrats and the Liberals. UK, I think they have the Republicans and the Labour Party. Nathi-ke we need to have two parties. Lento yamanconzunconzu lena abantu ngoba befuna ibhodo eliconzayo need to stop completely. Excuse me, it just needs to stop. So inqoba lempi sengiyibonile mina seyinqoba. Yabona leli flag leli belintanda la seRussia ngane zakwethu lapha kwiMarshall. Lintantela mahala leli flag. Usufikile kumyalezo ke kutshele mina. I-NATO fusek, i-West fusek, yabona, i-Israel fusek. Usufikile umyalezo, yabona. Osefuna ukuthi-ke azama ukugadla uzobona. Lamabhuna ase-Orania fusek. Yabo manje ufusek asinandaba namfana azisha ikhala. Ayikhale ma-MK manje kujiye ngenye indlela. Uthe uThulani u-DSG uma kufanele simashe every day ukuze umhlaba wonke ubone uthe South Africa kunenkinga, asiphumeni sigcwala imigwaqo si-organize ama-march, hayi imashana, ama-march angempela massive. I think eGoli siyayidinga imarch. We need a huge march eGoli, yabo, enkulu, serious. Futhi leyo mashi leyo mayisuka ayisuke leyo mashi iyophelela ayisuke inqamulela kolentuza mhlawumbe la koSentini, yabo. Ile indawo zaba belungu qobo lwazo, kule indawo zaba belungu babona ukuthi akudlalo ngoba masimasha lapha eGoli Joes phakathi babo hayi fanele simashe phakathi kule indawo zabo lezi kule indawo zabo oSentini oCenturion obani olentuzo Midrand simashe phakathi ukuthi siphelelaphi la esofike sithule khona imemorandum kodwa simashe phakathi kule ndawo lezi zabeli khona bezobona akudlala. Uma kufanele sinyuke ngoRivonia Road simasha siyale phezulu sifike esentini, masifike esentini kuthula imemorandum, yabo, sifike lapha sigcwala iMandela Square lapha kuphambi kwakhe uMandela lona lo ixoke, sifike sime khona sithula imemorandum bese simkhomba kanje sithi wena wasidayisa xoke endini.